welcome to part 3, and yeah, I just spotted the mistake I made when didn't have the cutscene in it. Let me just do something in a minute. Sorry. Okay, when I showed you shortcut how to get to World 5, just remembered that stops the cutscenes until you get to World 5, so here's the cutscene. Oh no, let me jump on, I'll jump onto that ship. No. Yeah, he could have just easily jumped onto that, but no, he just goes, ooh look, it's flying away. Even though I've jumped even higher things than that. So I'm here again, I have to restart it. Yes, and I still have my car. World 2. Pink head. Saving. Okay, so I'll do this one. Only getting to the first castle explored. Sorry about that then. Oh yeah, fire flower. For those people who don't know what it does, gotta get it over. These guys. You press the 1 button. That happens. Could have just done that in the first place, but never mind. Yeah, and that's it really. It just does that. Or if you spin, it does 2 fireballs. And that was random. And I can't get to this weirdo. Unless I do that. So yeah, part 3. Sorry about this, the noise in the background. Oh, and also, I'm not sure whether it is or not, whether there is or not, but there might be some lag on part. There might have been some lag on part 2, and if there was, I am sorry for that. And I've lost my fireflower, which is quite a good weapon actually, but I got a better one. Just have to make sure you dodge the Cooper shell. Sometimes that can kill you really easily. Get away. Oh screw it, I'm gonna go. It's still spinning in the same. Hello, sorry about that. Then my camera ran out of batteries again, so I've had to wait until next day to charge the batteries and film this part. So it's taken me 2 days to film this part. Wow. So on with the part. Oh, crud. I hate when that happens. And I hate this bit. This part is much easier with the flower. But no, no. I don't know where to go. It's me. Yay. I need a mushroom. Ah! Mushroom. There goes my. Well, no duh. Well, I think I'm gonna do super mushroom. And because this is the 2nd level, I'll come back to that and I'll do this level. Yeah, I still have my cough. Just gonna put the camera a different angle. Yeah. Found it. Yeah. I have no weapons at the moment. Except for jumping. If you count that as a weapon, then no! No! Nuggets! That's horrible. It's amazing. Really horrible. Oh, little one. Ah! I'm about to die. That's a great thing to do when you're about to die. Just me. Get Cooper Shell. They're really good. Boom. Right. I'm getting up there. Oh. Checkpoint. Boom. Gonna let that pass. Oh yeah, just a coin doing that. Oh no, I'm going to die. There's a piranha plant trying to eat me. Wondering how I'm doing that spinning move? You just shake the Wii remote. Yeah, the controls on this game are quite good. I keep forgetting that this is an LP. So, oh yeah, fireflower. 2 is to jump on the Wii remote. The arrows are to move. 1 is to either use fireball or ice ball, or hold it down to run. Boom. Sorry about that. So, part 3. Because it's an LP, I'm going to do this level as well. When it comes to World 3 though, and World 8, well, some worlds I will do every level, but some worlds I won't. I know I won't. Yeah, take that. Keep forgetting about that button. I'm not getting the ice flower. If you have a fire flower, don't get an ice flower. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I'll be back now. Yep, sorry about that. Then, it's just a magpie trying to run away from a cat, and an injured wing. So I just helped it out, set my dog on the cat. So. I can go on the Some people might think it was a bit strange to do that, but, you know, I have pet budgies, so what do you think I'll do? Yeah, the ice flower, since I haven't had it yet. Yeah, the ice flower, press 1 to shoot fireballs, not fireballs, ice balls, and they freeze enemies. Then spin, it does the same thing. 2 ice balls. No, never mind. Run. Yeah, so that's what the ice flower does. Then when you freeze enemies, you can throw them, and then they smash when they hit a wall, or they can take out other enemies as well. 1 up. You got a 1 up. This is where I died last time. Not today. Not today. Funny that is. Yeah, when you're small, you can still pick up barrels. This reminds me of Donkey Kong. Why can't I go down that pipe? I was pressing down, nothing happened. Anyway, sorry I keep stopping and that. It's gonna take a long time to upload this now. Yes. Also, if you want me to talk through the enemies of this game, just post stuff in comments. Same with if there's any games you want me to LP. Just leave it in the comments and I'll see if I can LP that game. If I can, then I'll probably do it. If I can't, then I won't. Well, screw you. Oh yeah, you can't go down that pipe. Well, that's a bit retarded. Oh, and the end is right there. I didn't notice. Well, I just hope that Magpie's alright. Oh, I can hear it now. And yeah, sorry about my budgies. I'll cover them now. You know. There's a lot of bird stuff going on this episode. So, the birdie episode. Let's see what's in here. Oh no. Please don't say it's this level. Yeah, it is. It's the underground level. It's probably going to be a long part, this. Just because of this level. Oh, crud. I hate this level. Yeah, there's hardly any light apart from a small dim light around you and fireballs. Apart from that, you can't see. And without a firefly, you're pretty much screwed. I hate this level. Yep. Ooh. Didn't know there was a pipe you can go into. Now this. Yeah, the invincibility star. Wow, it lights up the whole screen. I didn't know that. But the invincibility star is okay, but not my favourite item. It makes you invincible for a short amount of time, hence its name, the invincibility star. But apart from that, it does nothing. Oh yeah, you can run faster with it, and you can jump longer distances. I was really hoping that was a fireflower then, but no, it's just a coin. I hate that guy. He always kills me. But I'm amazed I hit him. It came at a price today. Wow, did I really just do that in like 2 minutes? Yeah, I've done it already. Wow. I'll let that Koopa live. Wow. I never thought I'd do that. Well, that was surprisingly easy. Because when the first time I done that, it took me a couple of days to do that one level. And I just done it in 2 minutes. Or was it 1 minute? I'm not sure. Yeah, this castle, I forgot what happens in it, but I know there's some items in this door. Or not. Huh. Oh yeah, these things. Yeah. So, now I'll talk through the upgrades if I haven't talked through them yet. Okay, I've talked through Propeller, talked through Invincibility Star. Super Mushroom. Yeah, all Super Mushrooms do is make you bigger. If you're small. If you're already big, then they do nothing. I'm not exaggerating that, they do nothing at all. I talked through Ice Flower as well now. So, oh yeah, one more upgrade I have to talk through. Oh yeah, forgot about them. Yeah, those purple beams things, and the Koopaling you have to fight shooting at you, so he doesn't have to fight you. 'Cause he's a coward. Ah. Door. I'm not sure where I have to go now, but I'm sure it's this way. Or I could have gone the nicer way. Oh yeah, padlocks. You hit them, ooh, everything falls down like that secret stash of coins. Ooh. Hidden block. I like hidden blocks. I was gonna say brick, but oh yeah, and I forgot you can do that. Ah, screw you. Ah. Yeah. This might actually be quite a long LP. I didn't expect it to be that long, but it might be. Yeah. See, dry bones come back to life by doing that. Oh, I hate this part. Didn't even do anything then. And just in case you're wondering, yeah, this is live. Not live exactly, but I'm playing it now whilst I'm filming. Well, this part's going to be annoying. Yeah, there are some worlds where it's going to be longer than 2 parts. Like, for definite, World 8 and World 5 and... No, not 5, sorry. World 7, World 8. Yeah, they're definitely going to be more than 2 parts. I need one up. Like that. So, sorry if this part's long, it's just... I had to pause earlier because that Magpie. Mushroom. Who needs mushrooms at this stage? Yeah, if you do the spinny thing on an enemy, jump higher. I'll give it one more go, and if I don't do it, then I might end this part. It's a bit long. Okay, one more go. Gotta take it slowly. And I need a mushroom. Ah, that was close. I really need a mushroom. And there I have it. And there I have one. Yay. Who likes mushrooms now? Me. Sorry if I'm being a bit weird in this LP, it's just my first LP, so I don't really know what to do, to be honest. I've seen LPs, but oh yes, I'm here. Probably a hidden item up there, but I just didn't think about it at the time. Oh yeah, this guy's easy because this time you can't fall off the edge. Well, you can, but oh yeah, I forgot about that. You can fall off the edge, but it's hard because it's quicksand as well. Yeah, you have to jump when he's doing that constipated farting move. Yeah, there's a glitch. You can just keep jumping on the quicksand. When he does the ground pound, just jump. Yep. That's as hard as you get. And there's another cutscene. After every castle, there's a cutscene. It's the same one all the time, so don't bother worrying about it. And then there's that castle. Oh yeah, I forgot. The cutscene's only after the world castle. That's the mini castle though. So I'll join you in the next part. After I've saved. Oh yeah, and it has to be a toad saying, help me. Save. Okay. So, I'll end it. Goodbye.